We will tell you 20 best passive income ideas that will make you rich. You could do these side gigs even with your primary job and earn money easily. Watch this video till the end because all the passive income ideas are amazing. Now let's start. Number 1. Create an online store running print on demand. Anyone may profit online with the print on demand company model without any inventory, logistical problems, or investment required. Entrepreneurs may develop, manufacture, and market one of a kind goods using this contemporary order fulfillment system. The provider handles everything else: printing, packing, and direct consumer delivery. If you want to create a passive income, print on demand as an adult is the approach to follow. A wonderful side project for free time. Easy to establish, run, and grow, print on demand is a beginner's business model. Designs and sales of dropshipping items are simple for everyone. Number 2. Start working as a freelancer in your free time. When it comes to generating additional income online, technology offers a universe of possibilities. From small enterprises to large companies, many are seeking out freelancers in many fields. From graphic design to photography to freelance writing, there are many sites linking independent contractors with customers. From home in their free time, freelancing, photography, and videography are excellent side activities for anybody depending on project frequency to meet their calendar. You may try freelancing with the help of sites like Fiverr, Upwork. Number 3. Design an online course. Sharing your expertise is a satisfying approach to make more money in a world where education has evolved from a privilege to a need. By 2026, industry analysts estimate the worldwide e-learning market to be approximately $400 billion. You have to design a value-adding online video course for others. If you are an experienced expert with relevant abilities, making excellent money will not be difficult. If you want to know financial tips daily, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 4. Rent a piece of land. Although not a choice for everyone, individuals who are fortunate enough to have a rental property will enjoy easy passive income. Two well-known websites for leasing private space: Airbnb and Booking.com. Renting a home has dangers, including legal problems, challenging renters, and property damage, but if you research a little, then you could easily succeed in this field and even earn more than your primary job. Sort possible renters carefully, create a clear rental agreement, and get insurance. Number 5. Take part in internet surveys. Many people turn to online surveys as their preferred choice. They are a free side hobby. The necessary effort is little even if the income is modest. You just require time, a smartphone, and internet connection. Many businesses pay for an opinion on different goods or services in order to learn consumer perceptions. When seeking alternatives, thoroughly investigate the business and evaluate third-party assessments to ensure dependability. Number 6. Drive car for Uber or Lyft. Sign up as an independent contractor and be paid for driving using gig economy apps like Uber or Lyft. Where, when, and how many hours each week you work will determine how much you earn. For any of these applications, give careful thought to insurance coverage, gas, and maintenance expenses. It's a very lucrative side job which most Americans are adopting. This side gig keeps you refreshed as you could visit and drive to new places, and that too, not alone anytime. Number 7. Create and market crafts projects online. Industry analysts project that by 2024, the worldwide arts and crafts market would reach $50.9 billion, offering chances for wealth creation. If you have a little side project in mind, Etsy sales of handcrafted goods is the best choice. Finding clients for your unique crafts is not difficult with the over 96.34 million active purchasers. If you like digital art, print on demand allows you to design, develop, and market creative items straight into the crafty world of Etsy and start making money. Number 8. Get hired as an English tutor. Tutoring others is a fulfilling way to get additional money if you like working with people and are skilled in English. Among the better applications you may try are Udemy and Wizant. Tutors are free to work whenever it would be most convenient for them given their full-time employment. Number 9. Share pictures online. Ideas for additional money that fit your passions are the greatest ones. If you like taking pictures, another free side project is selling pictures on the internet. For their social media, e-commerce sites, and advertising campaigns, many businesses hunt images. To be seen, establish a reputation, and network potential customers, try iStock, Getty Images, or Shutterstock. Number 10. Make stock market investments. The greatest approach to get passive income is probably investing. A skilled investment broker can assist one find a reasonable return on investment from the stock market. Knowing the financial market will let you explore online investing sites like Robinhood or Acorns. Remember that investing has dangers and complexities, so conduct your study before deciding on anything. If you study it properly, then you could easily become rich. Some traders even earn over millions of dollars each day. Number 11. Join the food delivery partner sites. People prefer to buy meals online as they have less time to prepare as their lives become more hectic. Delivery of food is a fantastic side project if you have spare time and a vehicle. Work as much or as little as you like. Use Uber Eats or Grubhub and be paid straight via direct deposit. Number 12. Share your car rent. Think about renting your idle automobile from services like Turo from the driveway. Maintenance, insurance, and cleaning will be expenses. However, the money you make should cover these expenses. Many cars go useless just because they are left unused for a long period of time. But you won't face this issue because your car will be running most of the time. This side gig literally don't need your involvement at all. Number 13. Start streamering. Streaming may be really lucrative as a side project. Whatever your interests, games, music, or yoga instruction, there is a following for every kind of material. You may broadcast and be paid on Twitch or YouTube. Once you have a committed following, start making money via sales of fan goods, brand alliances, and contributions. Number 14. Share your tools and equipment rent. If you have idle equipment, think about leveraging the sharing economy to rent out what you aren't using and enabling others to do tasks. A fast Google search can help you locate neighborhood venues offering a range of rental options, from building tools to photography equipment. The concept is straightforward. Rent usually used devices and instruments hourly, daily, or weekly. Number 15. Try investing in real estate. One excellent approach to make money is by purchasing a modest house to fix up, rent, or sell. Try websites like Fundrise, which Business Insider ranked as among the top real estate investment applications available 2023. These programs let even those without a sizable down payment begin investing in commercial real estate. To prevent any issues or financial loss when selecting a platform, carefully investigate the firm and evaluate third-party opinions. Number 16. Provide dog walking or pet sitting services. Pet owners will spend good money to have someone reliable pet sit while they are away on a vacation. If you like animals, this may be the perfect side project for you. Walk dogs, monitor kitties, or care for exotic creatures. Use sites like Rover and Wag to locate a gig in your area for pet sitting. Number 17. Start a mystery shopping adventure. A mystery shopper is someone who shares comments on their retail experience for the firm. Usually it entails buying something and completing a survey. Becoming a mystery shopper is a simple way to get money as businesses work to enhance the shopping experience. With a short search, you may locate nearby businesses hiring mystery shoppers. Register and do as directed. Examine their websites and read third-party evaluations to help you to properly screen the businesses and prevent frauds. Number 18. Find part-time employment. Finding a part-time job, including working remotely, has gotten much simpler as technology has developed. Use Glassdoor or Indeed to peruse several local job openings. Number 19. Create a YouTube channel or blog. If you like producing material, running a blog, or launching a YouTube channel are excellent side projects. Subscriptions, affiliate marketing, and adverts may all bring in money if you have a devoted following. Try tools such Wix, Squarespace, or PowerShell. Number 20. Become a virtual assistant. Administrative support, including data entry, schedule management, writing, and editing, that virtual assistants offer for their customers is list your offerings on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Now, if you want to know how you could get rich without any effort, then subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the right side.